Welcome to my channel. I'm Brooklyn08 and I collect Pandora, troll beads, and a few ohm beads. I've been collecting for a few years, but I've just recently joined this great community of collectors on YouTube. I hope you'll enjoy my videos and will comment, like, and subscribe. And for those of you who already have, many thanks. I appreciate it. Now, let's take a look at my haul from Rue La La. First is this bangle with the white enamel heart clasp. As you can see, the design is on both sides and Pandora is written around the heart. There's also engraving on the back side. It says, "You are so loved." I usually like to wear this kind of bangle for stacking. And I think that this slightly different shape of the clasp will be a nice addition to the stack, right? It's not quite round. Next, I purchased this small heart locket. It looks the same on the one side as it does on the other. The locket looks the same, but the petite that came with it has CZs on one side, but there are not any CZs on the other side, right? Nevertheless, I think it will be very pretty on a bracelet or on a necklace. I also purchased these essence charms. These are compassion and they are made of pink mother of pearl. They really are beautiful. This is my second set. I fell in love with them and I couldn't resist getting another. I like to stack the essence bracelets also. These come in white and a bluish gray, and I recommend all of them. They really are beautiful. Now, I purchased 5 of the star signs. I have an idea for a heritage bracelet which will feature the zodiac signs of my parents and my grandparents. So I have this first one, which is Aquarius. These star signs are 3-sided. On one side is the name of the sign. On another side is the symbol of the sign. And then on the third side is a visual representation of the sign. So this one is Aquarius. This one is Sagittarius. The name, the symbol, the visual representation. This one is Libra. The name, the symbol, the visual representation. Both my grandmothers were Libras, and I only have one charm, so I will be on the lookout for one more Libra charm. This one is, what is this one? Capricorn. This one is Capricorn. The name, the symbol, and the visual representation. And finally, this one is Virgo. The name, the symbol, and the visual representation. And between, right here, you'll see lots of little stars. A very cute charm. I also purchased 2 of the encased in love charms. These came in several colors. This one is the opalescent white crystal. They're very pretty, and I think they will go with several different charms. Yeah, I like these very much. And last but not least, I purchased this gold beveled clip. This is 14 karat gold. I have a couple of them. I've been trying to work on a 14 karat gold bracelet. I'm getting there, slowly but surely. When I finish it, I'll make sure to post a video. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed seeing this haul. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.